Hello, my name is Marcus and this is my partner Zachary, and we're here to introduce a new medical technology, Snifflex. Zachary, take it away.
Well, Snifflex was originally thought of after we were trying to cure the sniffles. We originally thought of a simple paper-based one-time solution when you had to cough or sneeze, but unfortunately there's nothing like that can be made.
No. So what we did, we got... it just excites me beyond belief.
It's so exciting.
That we were able to develop such we were able to, excuse me, I get excited at moments like this, that we get, you know, such a technology in the medical field nonetheless, you know, and then we, sorry I hiccuped. Anyway, so we are so excited about technology like this, it's beyond belief in the medical field nonetheless. Anyway, what we did, we developed a pill.
So the pill itself is about the size of Chipotle's burrito. If you got all the beans and the rice and everything, they're quite good.
Fully loaded Chipotle burrito. It's really,
pill.
you know, really nice plate, but you know, about this big. I'm talking about Chipotle's burrito. The pill itself, you know, it has to completely destroy.
Not like a Los, because they're a little bit smaller.
Los
Chipotle's burrito
makes a nice
with
burrito.
Now the pill itself is filled with antibodies per se to help eliminate the sniffles. What they do is they destroy the lining in your stomach. They destroy your body bit by bit. They're mostly poison.
What it actually does, really, but it rips a hole in the stomach. And what it does, it releases all that stomach acid into the rest of the body. And it's the stomach acid that really causes the sniffles. And when it releases in the rest of the body, it's extremely painful, yes. But it gets rid of the sniffles. And you have to, the sniffles, you have to pay a price to get a reward. And the reward is to get rid of that minor, insignificant inconvenience that is the sniffles.
I love you.
Snifflex. If you want your sniffles gone, Snifflex.
It's the best. We're now going to do some interviews to show you the people that have truly taken Snifflex and what they have to truly say about this true product.
It's one of the best products on the market today. Snifflex at your local Walgreens, Rite Aid, Walmart, pharmacies, all the black market actually. Dollar Tree,
Chipotle's.
They sell it.
It's a new flavour at Chipotle's, the pill itself. Take it from me, Snifflex is the cure. I tried it in mid-October of 1912, and I've never felt better.
After taking Snifflex, I feel like my whole world has been turned right side up.
Greetings. I've been taking Snifflex for 7 years, and I've never felt better.
So how does Snifflex work for you?
I took it a couple minutes ago, and I'm just going to see how it works out.
Ask your doctor about Snifflex. I'm going to guarantee you they will not recommend it.
Lapras is my favourite Pokemon by far.